Ever heard of the Elegant Stallion? Remember Onyeka Onwenu, a legend in African music, broadcasting, film and activism? Born in Nigeria in 1952, Onyeka's journey started with a BA from Wellesley and an MA from the New School. She began as a newsreader and reporter, but quickly took the world by storm. Her music legendary, Onyeka's songs like One Love and Wait For Me with King Sunny Ade are timeless. She didn't just sing, she sang about AIDS awareness, women's rights and peace. Her movies, from Half of a Yellow Sun to Lionheart, her performances were as powerful as her voice. As an activist, she fought for royalties and championed women's development as the CEO of the National Center for Women Development. On the 30th of July 2024, Onwenu collapsed after performing at the birthday party of the CEO of Emzor Pharmaceuticals, Stella Okoli, in Lagos State. Onyeka once said, "Celebrate me with prayers and laughter." Oh, so let's do just that.